I enjoy the heat of summer and the fun which it allows, like driving with the top down past fields full of cows. But when autumn arrives, my excitement is intense because I know it will be filled with athletic drama and suspense. It might be first and 10 or third and goal, a receiver tiptoeing sidelines with total control, a long field goal or fake punt, a pass from a kicker or other stunt, full-on blitz, a sudden sack, maybe a fake handoff to the running back. There are so many plays to enjoy on Sunday afternoons, except when the game is officiated by buffoons. The real officials are locked out. Please explain with logic what that's about. The replacement officials do not belong. Perhaps they can referee a video game of Pong. The NFL Commission should receive a penalty flag and employ real professionals and end this gag.